So today is Sunday. It is September 3rd. Oh my gosh, it's September now. We're like the end of the year. This is crazy, 2023. And we are headed out. Our driver will be here in just a few minutes to have another beach day. It might be our last beach day here in Puerto Morelos. We've been here for just about a month. We will be leaving really soon to head back to Merida, Mexico. So yeah, we're gonna just have a chill, wonderful day at the beach, hang out in the ocean, on the sand, just feeling good. And yeah, the kids are here ready.
Hi. I've got both floaties on for me and Skylar. I'm gonna blow up Skylar's at the beach, and yeah.
Skylar, you ready? How you feeling about beach day?
What?
They didn't know they were real food.
Okay. Well, Skylar's like, what? I don't know what you're talking about. But anyway, so we'll check in throughout the day. Maybe Kaya shoot a little footage on the way there. Maybe we'll get some good shots on the beach. I really want to take a picture in front of the Puerto Morelos sign, but just not quite sure. Did we even see it last time?
Well,
I don't even remember seeing it.
That aren't the one, but there's just Puerto Morelos signs.
Okay, so I'll ask our driver about that, and maybe we can snap that photo. All of the cities, and they're called cities, right? Yeah, the cities in the states of Mexico have these colorful, beautiful block letters. At least so far, that's what we've seen in Cancun, Playa del Carmen. We haven't been to Playa del Carmen, but we've seen plenty of pictures in Merida. So I know it's here. I know that colorful sign is here somewhere. Oh yeah, Progreso Beach, which is outside of Merida. Am I saying that right? Merida. Still practicing my Spanish. Just keep improving, getting better. All right, guys, we'll check in later. Bye. Such a beautiful day. It's so beautiful out here. I love it. I love it. It is paradise in Puerto Morelos. We're gonna go down. I hope y'all can hear me. The wind crowd is probably blowing, but there's this huge tree. Our driver was telling us one day it just appeared. It washed up. So like, where did it come from? Where had it been? Was it out in the ocean, under the water? Like, where did this big tree come from? I don't know how long it's been here now, but it said at first, wasn't there. And one day, huge tree just here. Now people climb on it, jump off of it. Okay, the waves are bigger here. That's what Skylar said. The waves are bigger here. Look how beautiful this water is.
Yes. Darn. Can we cancel? We'll just come back for vacation.
the adults are trying, and they can't even get half to where I got. So it's real funny. It shows how much of an athletic person I am.
Now Kai just brag. All right, we're gonna walk back down the beach. All right, I'm gonna stop it now. Peace. My baby climbed up and jumped up a tree. Uh-oh, disrespectful gum. Disrespectful gum.
Wow. Disrespectful gum. Thanks for watching me jump off the tree.
We left the beach and we walked for a little bit, and then we came to this place called Veggie or something, but Kai calls us Veg. I like that name better. And we saw two cats. One was like white with some orange on it, and one was black. They're very cute. And now we got all this food and some smoothies and some other things.
And how is it?
It's pretty good.
Everything's vegan.
If you are vegan/vegetarian in Puerto Morelos, come here. Veggie. Very good.
Show the sign.
It's so good, I can't believe it. Veggie street food. And see, all of these other people, they are meat eaters. So they're eating this food without meat. And it's like, wait, what? This is amazing. And it ain't got no meat in it.
True.
It's amazing.
It's so good.
And the fried up cauliflower and the Baja tacos are very good. It's very good. 10 out of 10. Must recommend.
Are you filming me?
Yes.
This is some of the best food I've had here.
Best food you had here?
This is some of the best food I've had here in Puerto Morelos. Okay, so we have now walked back to the beach. We finished eating. It's on me. At Veggie. It was delish. Y'all saw that?
Must recommend. Try again. Must 10 out of 10. Must recommend. 10 out of 10. Must try again.
If you are in Puerto Morelos, go to Veggie.
Puerto Morelos.
Great.
I don't know how to record. Okay, so we're just back at the beach chilling out. We're actually exhausted. It's after 6. We have been out here since noon. But now we're just sitting, chilling. What am I saying? Chilling out. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Sun is setting. Sun is actually setting behind us. It would be bomb if it was setting like right over the ocean, but somewhat it's still beautiful out here. And now we're just like chilling. We are full. Girls are back in the ocean. See, they're back out there. I'm not getting you, Jalen. And we're waiting to hear back from our driver to see if he can come get us. In the meantime, we just chilling out here on the beach again. It's been a fabulous day. And go check out Veggie. Phenomenal vegan food in Puerto Morelos.
All right, we're out in the ocean. Skylar's back there doing flips and stuff. Like I said, doing flips. Okay, I gotta get out.